All right, guys, what I'm about to show you right now is our predictable client acquisition system that I use for my recruiting business that my members use as well. This is probably one of the most exciting videos that I've ever done on my channel because the results that we're receiving over the past week or two have been absolutely mind blowing. And I want to share it with you and show you exactly what's going on and how you can apply this same system into your recruiting business so you can get new recruiting clients while you're grocery shopping, while you're playing golf, while you're at the beach, while you're doing other things. This system is working for you in the background to tee up new hiring manager meetings on your calendar. I'm going to show you exactly how Matt's doing it, how Clarence is doing it. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so here is a campaign that we're running on Recruitemy Leadcast for one of our newer members, Matt Giovannitti, who was in the renewable energy space. So I ran a hiring manager campaign for Matt last week, and within 5 to 7 days, we've already gotten 3 responses, as you can see right here, from presidents and CEOs of companies wanting to hear back from Matt saying, sure. We've got 3 responses right here, sure, sure, and a sure. And all 3 people, which I can't show you right now to protect Matt's privacy, these are all CEOs, C-level people that want to see Matt's candidate and go to a Zoom meeting with Matt. The great thing about these candidates that Matt has secured, which we did on the first phase of this system, are all VP level candidates that are earning a $300,000 base salary and above. So these are going to be performance-based or retained search placements that Matt's going to pursue. We're talking well over $60,000, $70,000 fees, and Matt will collect a third of that payment up front before he does anything. Pretty impressive, right? So let me show you the stats that we did in the campaign that we ran last week to generate these type of responses. So just last week, I ran this campaign for Matt. Matt and I worked together on it. The first few weeks, we ran a candidate campaign on Recruitemy Leadcast to scale out our automation marketing efforts through LinkedIn. And Matt was able to secure several A-player passive candidates that we then formed an MPC page for them that we're now marketing to hiring managers. So we went ahead and flipped the script on Leadcast. As you can see right here, Renewable Energy Hiring Managers is the campaign that we are currently running. This has been running for maybe 5 to 7 days. Incredible responses that we've gotten so far on here. And let me show you some of the stats that we have. All right, so in just 7 days, we've had 29 connections accepted, first degree connections, 4 total replies, right? So right there is what? So for every 7 connections, we're getting 1 reply from a C-level hiring manager. That's a 14% return. So let me do some math real quick, guys, and show you the scale of this and the power of it. As we keep getting connections in Matt's account, we'll have 100 connections here soon. So 100 connection times 14% right there, you can expect to get 14 replies from hiring managers with 100 connections. Tell me a better system, a better predictable client acquisition system than what you're seeing right now. It's not cold calling. It's not cold email. It's not direct mail. It's using this system. It's a healthy dose of LinkedIn targeted campaigns with Recruitemy Leadcast and Dub one-on-one videos. This is what works, guys, at scale. This is going to get you new recruiting clients while you're grocery shopping and while you're doing other things. So yeah, really impressed with these stats so far. And it's a pretty basic step that we've set up. Here's all the numbers, great reporting system that we have. But the artificial intelligence automation step that we set up is basic, right? So it's right here. We're inviting them to connect. We're saying hi first name. It auto-populates the person's first name to make it more personalized. I'm representing a VP within renewable energy. Can I share his digital portfolio with you? That's it, question mark. And that's why we're getting all those responses. It's straight, direct, to the point. We're not like putting fluff in here. These hiring managers are sick and tired of hearing from recruiters every day. They want something different. They want a tangible product they can sink their teeth into and see something. And that's why we're getting great results here. And what we do is we then fire over the MPC page, which I'll show you an example of that real quick. This is what works really well as a tangible product, right? And so this is an example of the MPC page that Matt is going to send over to these hiring managers that are saying, sure. He's going to send these over and then set up a Zoom meeting with each of those hiring managers. But this is the way that you market to hiring managers in 2023 to get the kind of responses that you need. So last thing I'll show you here is another member of ours, Clarence Thomas. Again, great results. He went onto LinkedIn. He started prospecting for companies within his niche. that were hiring, that were posting jobs on LinkedIn. And what he did is he started sending out dub videos to these managers saying, hey, look, I noticed that you're looking to hire, like you see right here. Hi, I saw that you're currently hiring for 6 roles. I made a short 30-second video, very intriguing, for you to introduce myself and put a face with a name. My team and I would love to be a resource for you, right? So, and then the hiring manager clicks on the video. It's a phenomenal video that we've taught Clarence how to do, which is why he gets results. And then here's the response from the hiring manager. Hi, Clarence. I must admit that your video was an interesting introduction. I would like to set up some time to speak with you about how you may be able to help with some of our recruitment needs. Please let me know if you have time Monday and Wednesday this week to connect. I mean, come on, guys. Amazing. This is what works. Use this at scale. You need to have a system in place. It's, again, not cold calling. Stop spamming on LinkedIn. Follow this system and you'll get new recruiting clients every day and get these type of returns that you're seeing right here.